guys are not going to believe this, but this was delivered today, a Sunday, at approximately about 11:30 this morning. Yes, mail on Sunday, if you can believe that. So that's why you're getting a rare Sunday unboxing. You'll thank me. But as we can see, it looks like a box to a box FAEN. Maybe it's that one that I kind of bragged about that everyone else has. I mean, I think Bo Mitchell got one and Tori's got one. So let's find out right now. Gift wrap. Yeah, it is. It's Sears 8121. Although I think that's the short model number. I think the model was 453-81210 something. I have to look that up. But yeah, it's really nothing more than a 3746 variant, which I also have. But I thought maybe because the Sears version is getting hard to come by, because I'm still saying that not a lot were made and not a lot were survived. But I could be wrong, because half the time I usually am. And it's got the box. But as you saw, I mean, before I forget, you know how I am about it's like people shipping stuff in the original boxes. It could get damaged, but the seller here actually packed it real well and wrapped it up, so it's like, good job. So, let's take a look. I mean, brown blades, automatic temperature control, needs to be about 20% cooler, 3-speed. Side. Other side. Back, which unfortunately is missing a couple slats, and it's yellowed. So this has been used. Repeat, has been used. So yeah. We'll take a look at the bottom and see if there's anything down there. Be gentle with this. And little scuffs, but not too bad. Sears Roebuck & Company, Chicago 60684, model 453-8121001. 120 volts, 2.2 amps, 60 hertz. And there's something that I can't make out. It's a 1986 model, which kind of makes sense, because if you notice on the box it has the later logo that they introduced in late 85, but yet still has the older logo that they introduced about 1981. So yeah, about 1986 Sears. So I'll do, we'll plug it up and we'll give it a go. So if we're ready, here's high. I figured before we get more deeper into the FAEN, I figured I'd show you the box. Because if you notice, it's supposed to have the later logo on it, and it still has the other one. Kind of like the wavy logo versus the block logo. But yeah, 428121, Sears, 20-inch 4 FAEN. Automatic level control. Maintains the airflow. A powerful room-to-room air circulator. Supplements air conditioning. There's the side. And if you notice how the design, they still have the design from like the 79 to 82 models, because it has the motor mount like that. But yet it has rounded corners. I don't know. Full 1-year warranty. Most likely expired. Shop at Sears for a wide variety of fan accessories. Sadly, you can't do that anymore because Sears is on its last support. And other side, same thing. And while I was digging it out, I saw something. Instructions. Read rules for safe operation and instructions carefully. I mean, there's not much to it. I mean, pretty much, don't stick your fingers in, have supervision around children, use on a dry level surface, explosion of the parts. And if you notice, they actually have the diagram, which is good because some of us may want to, I don't know, maybe put stuff together or refix it. I don't know. So if I call Sears right now and try and get parts for this, will I still get parts for it? Most likely not. And a little bit of a little thing, it's like, this is an automatically controlled device. Unplug when servicing. Well, whatever. That's that. Okay, I got the kilowatt meter out right now, so and it's supposed to be rated for 2.2 amps. I can't remember if I said that, so here's high. Running under spec, that's good. Medium. And low. And you did hear a startup sound, and par for the course or something different, I'm going to start off on low. Here we go with medium. And finally high. That one feels good. Oh, wait. Well, I just fucked that up. It was on medium. Well, you know what? You're going to get another startup sound, so whatever. Put it on high, and here we go. But you know what? I work with it. I'll check the spin down time now. Yeah. That, my friends, is a continuity problem. Not motor-wise, just film-wise. But I make do. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this episode, show and tell unboxing of this 86 Sears thermostatically controlled box fan model 8121. Nothing more than a 3746 variant, which I figured everyone else has one, so why not me? Oddly enough, I said that same thing about the 3746 when I got it. But, I don't know. Like I said, there's just something about Sears that you can used to get everything there. Now, the only thing you're going to get there is heartache. Because nothing is there no more. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this rare Sunday unboxing. And until next time, I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching. And the comment box is open.